Good morning to you all. Yesterday was Sunday, so today is Monday the 25th of June. And I'm up with I was going to say up with the lark, but there's swallows and martins and such likes. This, of course, is the chateau at Azay-le-Ferron. As you can see, the sun is just painting it golden, and the sky is blue, and everything looks like it's going to be a grand day today. It's bright and early. There's the gentleman he's behind the war memorial now. He's been cleaning the public toilets, which, you know, it has to be said, they are immaculately kept, in case that's something that concerns you. But there we are. I'm going to go down the road and get my croissant for breakfast. And I'm going to fit one of these in the pipe, because in this part of France you pay for your water by the volume you use. So if you can save rainwater for watering the gardens, so much the better. Yeah, there we are. Now, that's the device, that's the gizmo. Very basic bit of stuff. There's no clever plumbing. You just cut a bit of pipe and stand a bit of pipe, and that sort of turns, it does, honest, that turns on and off. Although why you'd ever close it, I don't know. The whole point is to divert rainwater into a barrel. So there we are. That's the next job. Now the replacement brackets for these pipes, yeah, it's a straightforward clamp with this nut, I say welded, I don't know, pinned onto it. And what we use, now this is all good stuff working in foreign languages, you have to go along the shelf and look for what looks like it. These are simple screws which go into that, which does presuppose that you've drilled and plugged the wall so that that will go in. Well, I was hoping to show you some clever work, but no. Right, the bottom bracket was already broken and had been wired up with a piece of electrical wire. Wasn't very pretty, so I sort of reached around behind, cut that off, because the nuts just simply will not undo. Cut that off, and then I wiggled this out, leaving this downpipe nice and firm. Yeah, so what I need to do is I need to get this out of the wall so that I can then fit a replacement for it. And while I'm at it, I think I might point in this joint. Would seem like a good idea whilst I've got it all open and tidy, wouldn't it? Isn't it funny how one job leads to 17 others?